Greetings everybody, it's Phil here from philcarrick.com, and in this quick video I'm just going to show you how to make more sales locally. So if you're a local business owner, you sell to the local community, then you want to watch this video. And we're going to cover Facebook today. A couple of videos ago I covered Google Business. That's really important as well. So if you haven't checked that out, go to my YouTube channel, Phil Carrick. Almost forgot my name, Phil Carrick with one L, and you'll find it on there, okay? And it's entitled Make More Sales with Google Business. So, Facebook, okay? So if you sell to the local community, whether or not it's physical products, digital products, whether or not you sell coaching services, professional services, or, hint, hint, you might be a hospitality business, for example, and you're looking to hire people, because I know you're having a torrid time at the minute hiring people. If it's not COVID, it's Brexit, it's other things, isn't it? So I know for a hospitality sector, you find it really difficult to hire staff. So what you could do, you could use this method I'm just about to show you. Facebook got rid of Facebook jobs, unfortunately. However, what you've got is you've got this little sort of marketplace icon at the top here. Just go into Facebook, go into your profile, okay, and click on Marketplace. Here's the thing, all right? There are a lot of people who spend all their life on Marketplace. Yes, sometimes they're looking for a bargain, but sometimes the odd thing flashes up and they go, that's interesting. So don't think that you have to be giving away stuff at a hugely discounted price. No, you don't. If you can, brilliant, but you don't need to, okay? So as you can see, I've got a filter here, Downpatrick within 16 kilometers, and then this shows up Downpatrick. Now, yes, I've also got things like Malta and San Fernando, California, okay? But there's reasons behind that. I was doing something in those by itself. But anyway, okay, so this is what you do. Before you go anywhere near Marketplace. Before you go anywhere near Marketplace, you come up to Facebook. Okay, you just go into your Facebook news feed. You go into your Facebook search bar and you type in, so say if you're in Belfast, which is just up the road from me, Belfast, okay, Belfast buy and sell, for example, or Belfast business. Yeah, Belfast support local business, or NI business. Okay, for example, all right. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna concentrate on buy and sell Belfast, because an awful lot of people are members of these buy and sell groups. So what you do is, these are all your search results, so we'll not worry about those. We'll scroll down, we'll go to groups. Just click on groups and you can see all here, and then you can basically go to town. Okay, buy and sell Belfast. There's not enough members in there, I wouldn't bother with that one. Okay, for sale in and around, there you go, that'll do, 9,700 members. So you just click join. Okay, so you ask the admin to join that group. Now, please don't just spam the groups. There's a big disclaimer. Okay, so offer content, offer help, yeah, and every now and then, yes, you can sell, because it does say for sale, all right? Buy and sell, yeah, there's loads. Look, Marketplace Northern Ireland, 12,000. Belfast buy and sell, 20,000. So can you imagine having your service, your product, your professional service, or even, hey, I'm looking to hire. Can you imagine getting to all of these people, okay? So all you do is you click join. Now, when you do click join, you might be asked a series of questions from the group admin. That's fine, okay? Don't stress about it. Just answer those questions. It's, they just want to make sure you're not a spammer. Okay, so you join those. So once you've joined those, now this is the next thing. Make sure that the admin of that group has accepted you. Okay, and what will happen is you'll get a wee notification up here, all right, saying the admin of For Sale and Around Belfast Blah has accepted you. You may now post in the group. Brilliant. That's what you're looking for. Okay, so once you've got that, you then go and do, you really want at least 5 groups. Okay, 5 groups. So if you've already got 5 groups, brilliant. If you haven't, go through this process, join the groups, and wait until the admin approves you. When the admin approves you, you go to Marketplace. Okay, Marketplace. This is what you do. You create a new listing. And this is taken from your location, by the way, inside of your profile. Okay, so if your location set to Belfast or Manchester or Liverpool, then that's the group. Oh, hang on. Then that's where people will see it initially. Okay, on Marketplace. But there's something else I want to show you. So you choose your listing type. So just click on here. What's going on here? Your listings. It's all gone horribly wrong. Let me see. So let's just go. Okay. Oh, I do apologize. So for some reason I click on that. You create a new listing. Come on, Facebook. Come on. There you go. Okay. And then, sorry about that. I sort of missed it. It was right in the middle. So click on Item for Sale. So even if it's consultant, even if it's a product, even if it's a job that you're hiring for, just click on Product for Sale. Come on, Facebook. Sorry about that. This video was meant to be short. Okay, so you add a photo. Make it a catchy photo, ladies and gents. Okay, I'm just gonna pick any random flipping photo. There you go. Me when I was at Google. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so whilst it's thinking about it, okay, I'll just put the title. So the title it could be beautifully. Is that how you spell it? Beautifully. Oh no, I'm sorry. Okay, so local handmade pottery made with love in Belfast. Okay, it's always quite handy to get your keyword. Okay, so if your keyword is handmade pottery, all right, then get your keyword in there if you can. Don't stress about it. And then if you can get your location in there, even better. Okay, so the price, obviously, put whatever that is, 20 quid. Okay, now if this was a job ad, you would put 0. Okay, if you're offering your services, just put 0. Okay, because you want people to contact you and inquire. Obviously, you're not going to do it for free. Maybe you are. Maybe you're that way inclined. Okay, so we'll do 20. Category. Okay, select a category which is fairly close. I'm just going to click anything, honestly. There you go. Okay, if we just go down condition, just select new and the description. So write. But make it sell. How do you make it sell? Speak to people's wants, needs, or how you can remove pain. Okay, just some marketing tips there. Okay, so this is your description. As you can see, look, we're it's starting to get pretty good now. All right, for some reason. Oh yes, my location set for Lisbon, so that's why it's shown in Lisbon and surrounding areas. So that's fine. Let's do this single item. Your product tags. You can put product tags in there if you want. Again, these are keywords. So handmade pottery, Belfast. and just click the plus. Okay, so there's one. So there's the wee tags there, handmade pottery. So pottery, so pottery, just hit return, handmade pottery without Belfast. There you go. You sort of get where we're coming from. You don't need anything in SKU. All right. Now here's the thing, right? Let people know if there's any preferences. You don't need to add those, but if you do door pickups or drop-offs, fair enough. All right. Now scroll down and click next. Now this is where the magic happens. Now remember, this here is going to be posted to the Facebook Marketplace, which is cool because you're potentially getting in front of loads of people. So hang on, why is it not working? Okay, I think it's just taking a wee bit of time here. I'm just making sure I haven't missed anything. There we go. Okay, now look, this is where the magic happens, ladies and gents. Because you are connected to so many groups, as you can see, there's my USA and California. That's why it was showing up. Unless you think I'm a bit weird or stalking people, don't worry, I'm not. Okay, so look, you can list this thing here up in 20 groups. How cool is that? All right. Now, what you want to do is list it in the groups that you've already joined and been approved from the admin. So I'll just click a few random ones there. Okay, again, you can have up to 20. Look at this. All right, and then you click publish down here. I don't know if you can see that. Let's drag it down. Then you click publish. Once you click publish, it will go to Facebook Marketplace. This is the main thing here, this here, but it will also syndicate to these groups. Now, big disclaimer coming up, ladies and gents. If the admin of the group comes back to you and says, look, you're posting too many times about buy my stuff, just say, hey, look, sorry, fair enough, I'll put it back a bit. Be respectful of people's feelings, okay? But when you're starting off, just go for it. It's okay. But, just remember, if you get anybody sort of reaching out to you and say, hey, look, you've posted too many times, just say, okay, sorry, is it okay to post once a week? Most of the time they'll say yes. Okay, so that is it, ladies and gents. This is how you can potentially blow up your business just using Facebook Marketplace for a whole host of things. For selling products, for selling discounted products, for selling services, for selling professional services, for potentially putting up a job ad if you're in hospitality, for example. Yeah? So, think outside the box. That's what it's all about. So I hope you found this useful. Let me know underneath this video. If it's in Facebook, drop me a comment. If it's on YouTube, hey, drop me a comment below this video. Love to hear what you thought of it. So that's it for now, and see you soon. Take care.